Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, I'm out riding the REVR CM5. Gonna do a follow-up review with you because this is a great bike that's not getting the attention that it deserves, and so I wanted to bring another video to you. Let's hop up here and take a quick look at it so I can show you what I'm riding, talk about it this quick second. All right, the REVR CM5 is a city-style, commuter-style bike because it's got these thinner tires. I think they're like 2 1/4 or something, but they're 27/5. So, not your standard fat tire bike by any means, but you don't need fat tires if you're just going to be out on the road, out on the bike paths, that sort of thing. But, it's a great bike for what it is. It's not getting the attention, and I know why. I know exactly why it's not getting the attention that it deserves. And that's because a lot of people shy away as soon as they hear 500 watt motor. Yeah, it's got a 500 watt motor, but let me show you how it performs, because it performs very well for a 500 watt motor. And there's no reason why you shouldn't take a second look if you're looking for this style of bike. The price is phenomenal. Okay, they recently dropped the price, probably because they weren't selling that great, because people shy away here in the States. People want the biggest, the best, whatever. And so when they see 500 watt motors, I've seen this time and time again, they just don't sell as well as a 750 watt motor. But it's a great bike. And they lowered the price since this first came out, since we first did our first video. And I tell you what, for about $700, you can't beat it. You just can't beat it at all. It's got an 18 amp hour battery up here. And I tell you what, for that size battery at this price point, you go out and try buying an 18 amp hour battery for any bike, and it's going to cost you $500 or $600 just for the battery alone. So just great deal what they got going on here. Nice big headlight. Like I said, the city tires. We do have we got mechanical brakes. Yeah, mechanical brakes, which is fine because this isn't a bike that you're going to go super fast on. It does go 20 miles an hour, which is more than enough speed for like a city cruising bike. One of the great features of this one is this has one of the newer displays that I've just recently started to see. So I really like what the display looks like. You might see it flashing on the screen. That's just because of the camera. But I like the color. It just looks nice, well laid out. Really like that it has a button pad that is illuminated. So at night, these buttons light up and you can see where the power button is. You can see where your up and down button is. So that's super nice there. Got the standard 7-speed Shimano shifter. It does have a right-handed twist throttle. But, yeah, look at this wiring. They got the wiring nice and tight, wrapped really well, so it's nice and clean looking bike. So nothing, stylish. Moving back here, it's a pretty standard bicycle rack. We do have an integrated taillight, which is super nice. You don't always see that. And anything else down here I can share with you? No, not really. Just that it's a nice looking style. It's a pretty standard seat, not bad. If I was going to keep this, I'd probably still put on my favorite saddle, which is a little bit wider, but certainly nothing wrong with that saddle. You'd be happy with it probably for quite a while. Yeah, so let's just jump on here, go for a ride. Getting back talking about that 500 watt motor real quick. We're in past level 5. I'm going to go ahead and jump it up to 5. We're going to hit the throttle. See how quickly that takes off? I'm going to get out here in this road. So we're at 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There's 18, 19, 20. There it is. So it gets up to speed pretty quick, but it's got good pickup. When you're just starting out, and you want to get gone, you hit that throttle and it kind of jumps up there and says, okay, let's go somewhere. And then it kind of settles down, and then you got that gradual pull all the way up to 20. So, good speed, good power. I don't really have hills. I've mentioned that before. So I can't really go hill riding with it, but if you got fairly level ground, you're not going to notice that it's only a 500 watt motor back there. And because it's only 500 watt, it's going to take less energy, so your battery is going to last a little bit longer, so you're going to get more of a range when you're out cruising around. So super nice. It does have mechanical brakes, but I'll tell you what, the brakes work pretty good. We're going to test those out right here. Locked them up on the rear. Came to a pretty quick stop. Yeah, so this one does not have a bell, does not have a horn, but at this price point, you know, you're going to give up some of those little features that you might see on a more expensive bike. Turn around here. Yeah, right up to speed, no problem. You know, the motor's not real loud. Hear a little bit of a whine as it kicks in, and that kind of mellows out, but it's kind of faint. You don't hear much of it. I would say it's probably on the lower end when it comes to motor noise. The handlebars are shaped nice. They're swooped back just a little bit, so coming back towards your body a little bit, so it makes it a little more comfortable to reach. You don't have to feel like you're leaning over. I'm sitting upright. I'm 6'1". You know, I'm sitting upright and able to reach the handlebars just fine. They are adjustable. You can loosen the screw right down here. Lean them forward a little bit more if you want. I've got them pulled back about as far as they'll get, you know, to get closer to me. But yeah, so check it out. So REVR, they've got a few other styles, a few other e-bikes and things out there on their website you can go check out. But, you know, for about $700 or so, this is a great price. Great price. I know a lot of folks are the weather's starting to cool off wherever you live, and there's just not a lot of opportunity to go riding much longer because you're going to be getting snow and things like that. Pick one up at this price. You know, make it a Christmas gift or something this year. You know, tuck it away and pull it out in the spring and yeah, get out there and ride and enjoy it. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, comment down below on the REVR CM5. Make sure you go over there and check it out. Follow the link. I'll see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly and ride safe.